This is the interview about the Megazord that I didn't really have, and pretty cool. And my name is Andrew, and first I'm gonna start with the yellow Zord. Transform this thing, gotta pop the toes out, and that's it for the yellow one. And got screw holes, and got a combiner head, a combiner peg right here and right here. So next I'm gonna look at the we're gonna look at the pink summer rain. Got screw holes here and 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 here. And transform this thing, we gotta pop this up, we gotta pop this down, and then we gotta put it next to the yellow one. Next, I'm going to do the green racer. Oh, I forgot to transform it. I forgot. I got to transform the blue jet. I think I got it right. Transform. We got screw holes here and here and here, and you can see there's so many screw holes on this thing, and you can see a screw hole there. And transform this thing, you gotta pop up the fist, and that looks like a chunk, but transform this thing, gotta pop that up, pop the wheels forward. Then what you do, I'm gonna put them next to the legs. Then I'm gonna look at the blue jet. The blue jet's pretty cool. You can combine out the pegs, and got pegs on the green racer. You got pegs on the back and on the sides, but on the blue jet, it just got pegs on the top and on the bottom. Pegs on the top and from the side, so that's pretty cool. But to transform this thing, gotta fold up those, gotta take off the helmet, and then fold down the wings. We'll put them off to the side right there. Next, we're gonna look at the sky ship. Transform this thing. You got these, but transform this thing, you got to fold down the little sail, turn around the big sail, then fold it down on the little sail, then you fold back the little skirts, and then the big skirts fold down on the little skirts. And then what you do second for the red one, you just pop it open, and then the swords pop out, and then you separate those in half. Then you put those to the side. Now I'm going to start combining this one. Now I'm going to put together, so first you put on the yellow leg. So it's really hard to put it on. So you got push red down on yellow, and then you gotta to send to pink. Then to take green, you gotta put it on here. Then you gotta take blue, put it on here like this. And then you take the helmet. I'm just gonna get up a little bit higher. Then you put on the Megazord hat, place it on, fold out those. Then you take the Ranger key, you fold the arms up, then you push this forward, then it pops up, and then push in the Ranger key. I'm just going to show that because this goes in the back of the Megazord. So what you do, you push it in here. Nothing. Okay, then you gotta turn it, and then that thing pops down, and then you gotta push that thing in, then you gotta twist it here, and then you gotta pull out the Ranger key, gotta pop down the legs, pop down the arms, then you gotta place inside the Megazord, paste that out, place it in there. Then you can take the swords, you can take this one, and you could fold down this, then you could place it into the blue, and then what you do, you put it into the green like this. Then you got this, and transform this thing. You gotta take off the helmet. You gotta fold up these, take off the blue jet. Then you gotta take the red, then you gotta take off, you gotta take out this sword. I think I'm doing it right. I think I'm getting it right. Ooh, I got it. That was hard. And then you just fold it up. And then transform the green one. Gotta take out the sword. Then you gotta fold back the wheels. Back to the same. Then you pop down the fist. Then what you do is you take the legs and take them off. And take out the Ranger key. We'll put it here. And then transform the pink one. Snap that there. Then you gotta fold down the toes. Then transform the red one. Gotta take the swords. Then you got to place them together. Then you gotta put them right onto here. You gotta close it up. And I think it goes like this. Then I didn't do that right. I think I could do it right now. I think I could put together. There. Now we get to pull up this, turn it around this way, then pop up the little sail and fold up the skirts. Then you fold up the other skirt, and then you got a golden ring and the golden arrow pointing upwards, and you got little wheels under here. You got wheels here, and you got wheels here, and you got wheels here, and you got wheels here. You can see them. That's my review.